Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about what mapping means on DSers. Before we get into that, though, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been frustrated by the fact that your product listings on different e-commerce platforms don't match up? For example, you might have a product listed on Amazon with a different title, description, and set of images than the same product listed on eBay. This can be a real headache, especially if you're trying to manage your inventory and keep your listings up to date. That's where DSers comes in. DSers is a dropshipping platform that allows you to easily list products from AliExpress on a variety of e-commerce platforms, including Amazon, eBay, Shopify, and WooCommerce. And one of the key features of DSers is mapping. So what does mapping mean on DSers? In short, it means that you can connect your DSers account to your e-commerce platform accounts, and then map your AliExpress products to your e-commerce platform listings. This allows you to keep your listings up to date and ensure that they are all accurate. Benefits of using mapping on DSers. There are a number of benefits to using mapping on DSers. Here are a few of the most important. Save time and effort. Mapping allows you to automate the process of creating and updating your e-commerce listings. This can save you a lot of time and effort, especially if you have a large number of products. Ensure accuracy. When you map your AliExpress products to your e-commerce platform listings, you can make sure that all of the information is accurate. This includes the product title, description, images, price, and shipping information. Improve your customer experience. By ensuring that your e-commerce listings are accurate and up to date, you can provide a better shopping experience for your customers. This can lead to increased sales and customer satisfaction. How to use mapping on DSers. Using mapping on DSers is easy. Here are the steps. Sign up for a DSers account. Connect your DSers account to your e-commerce platform accounts. Map your AliExpress products to your e-commerce platform listings. Mapping is a powerful feature of DSers that can help you save time, ensure accuracy, and improve your customer experience. If you're a dropshipper, I highly recommend that you use mapping. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you understand what mapping means on DSers. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos about dropshipping.